today is Thanksgiving, so I'm up early, not to help cook, but so that I can get myself cute. And yeah, so happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody has a good day, that y'all eat good, y'all hang out with y'all loved ones. It's just good vibes all around. Yeah, so that's what I hope for everybody today. But I'm actually up. I've been up since 9. I was supposed to be up at 10 because or not 10. I was supposed to be up at 8 because I wanted to do my hair. And I'm still gonna do my hair, but now I just have less time because my alarm didn't go off, so I didn't get up till 9. But we're doing something simple, like, yeah, I'm just doing a bun. I'm just gonna put it all in a bun with a little bang. But yeah, today well, right now we got the movies at 11 o'clock. That's why I'm up so early, because I need to be ready for that. So the movie starts at 11. We're gonna go see Black Panther. And then from there, I'm going to my aunt's house. And then from there, I might be going to my uncle's house. So I got a pretty eventful day, and I wanted to just vlog it because I feel like it's gonna be a good day, you know. I'm gonna be doing a lot of different stuff. So yeah, that's what today is. Today is vlog day. What's y'all vibes for Thanksgiving? Like, y'all going somewhere? Y'all just chilling in the house? Like, what? Because I'm going places. Well, I'm only really going to the movies, and then everywhere else I'm just chilling in somebody else. So yeah, and I'm excited. Like, your girl is hungry. Last night at my uncle's, he had a little pre-Thanksgiving. And my other uncle, he had a little pre-Thanksgiving dinner, and that was a seafood boil. So I'm off to a great start. I'm gonna be eating great all weekend. So yeah, I'm really excited. Now we're gonna get into this hair. I still gotta rush though. Like, I'm kind of playing around. Like, I really need to be moving quicker than what I'm moving. Like, I'm moving cute, and I need to be moving swiftly. I'm already not the best at flat ironing my hair, so we're just gonna. It don't need to be extremely straight. We're just gonna pray away any heat damage. That's really, I straightened it, but that did not really straighten. That did nothing. Oh my goodness. Ends are atrocious. Like, they need to be cut so bad. Like, I'm really ready to just cut my hair off and like into a ball, like a long ball. Like, just chop all of this right here. Just chop it off. Because it's really, I finally understand the importance of health over length, because my hair has not been growing and it looks like it's really been breaking. And it probably is, because I don't know how to take care of my hair, and I be doing anything. Like, I just throw the flat iron on there. Okay, yeah. Ooh, ooh. So I was gonna do a ponytail, but my hair is turning out a lot straighter than I thought. Because I'm about to break my back to bend down to be in the camera when I could just raise it. But it turned out straighter than I thought. So yeah, it's giving cut it in a ball. Just cut it off. Just cut it off. I'd rather it look. Anyways, it's straighter than I thought, so I think what I'm gonna do is just wand curl it after this, because it's freshly washed, freshly straight. Like, I might as well get some wear out of it before I put all them ponytail products in my hair. I'll do that like once my hair is like getting oily. to the way. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna be when I get my bob. I'm gonna just be like, it's still giving though. It's still giving. She's short, but she's giving. Like, I want my hair down here at least. But yeah. All right, now it's time to curl it. Thankfully, this is gonna go a lot quicker because I really got 15 minutes to be ready. Like, ready, dressed, and done, like out the door type shit. So, we gonna see that not happen. We just gonna see, but I will try to be out of here in 30 minutes. 30, I think I can do. 15, I do not think I can. Because my fit is simple. I'm putting on sweatpants. So. I got me this cute little set. Because I was like, I'm not wearing no tight clothes. I need all my food to, you know, be able to fit. This is the curls. Okay. Now, you know, we always need baby hair. All right, so finished hair. I'm gonna fluff it out. I'm late, but I'm like kind of on time. Like, I'm at the 15-minute mark and I just gotta put my pants on, or my pants and my clothes on. So I got this cute little set from Pretty Little Thing. Super cute, it's oversized. And since I'm late, I don't have time to be moving y'all everywhere so y'all can see the full fit, or see me get dressed or whatever, like fully. So I'll be getting dressed in the bathroom. But yes, these are the pants. They super oversized. Like, it said oversized and I got it in an extra small, but like, they was not playing. Like, they were not playing. Like they're just big, and the jacket's even bigger. But at first I was like, dang, this is not how I wanted it to fit, but it's giving like super cozy vibes, like heavy on the cozy. And that's perfect for Thanksgiving, truthfully. And I got the tight little shirt on underneath to match. But you see, like it looked like I stole somebody's jacket. And this is the extra small. I'm like, girl, like, I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna put that on, but we're gonna have to judge it up a little bit. Like, might have to do some little off the shoulder action, even though it's cold outside. Like, I don't know. Okay. So boom, gotta put my jewelry on. I wanted to do a little face beat, but that's definitely not happening because I forgot I gotta get gas. So, and it's like 10, no, it's like 10:30 something right now. So me getting gas is gonna push that time that I could have used for my makeup. This is just so huge, y'all. This is so huge. Like, when I take my pictures, I might just have to have it like unzipped like this, because this is just humongous. Like, it's definitely humongous. Okay, so we're done with that. Make sure everything's turned off. There we go. There we go. There she goes. Like, yeah. You see the hair now? Like, now it's giving something. It's giving something. Super cute. Got some body in there. Yo. Get into it. Yeah, it's giving healthy. Cute. But yeah, looks like it's just gonna be a lip gloss kind of day. That's okay, because the face is giving. I did a good skincare routine this morning because I thought this was gonna be the base for my makeup, but now it's just a balm. Yeah, now it's just skin. Now it's just skinning. Now it's just giving. But yeah, okay, I'm officially ready. And then, so y'all can see my accessories. Hold up. If you don't do nothing else on Thanksgiving, make sure you pack your phone charger, because you gonna be out of luck. You're gonna be out of luck. But so, ooh, child. I'm pairing it with these, and I'm pairing it with this purse, so it's like, you see, it's cute. Yeah, that's me. It's all me. Put it together. But I put this purse together. It's funny because on the Pretty Little Things, on this fit specifically, she wearing these exact same shoes. Like, before I seen her shoes, I was like, dang, she know vibes. Great minds think alike, because I'm definitely gonna put that on. But yeah, that's so cute. Yeah, we're giving. We are giving. I don't know how I'm gonna wear my hair. We'll see. We'll see. Like, you see, it's cute. It's giving. I just really like this fit. I think it's so cute. I just love this. I love this outfit, and it's really comfortable. Like, you really can't beat comfort. Just put some extra moisture on my stomach since it's cold outside, and I think I'm gonna have my stomach out. So all I need is my nails done, then I'll be in there. But yeah, all right, y'all. Let me go before I'm for real late. All right. See y'all later. I'll see y'all again when I get to the movies.
Hey y'all.
What we just do?
We just went to the movies and we saw Black Panther, Wakanda Forever.
All right, hey y'all. So I didn't just leave the movie, but I've been left the movie, and I'm about to be at my aunt's house. And yeah, Black Panther, 10 out of 10. That movie was so good. Like, that was a great movie, but y'all knew it would be. I knew it would be, so yeah, that movie was just great. So great. I ain't even gonna spoil it or say too much, because I feel like if I start saying anything, I'm just gonna tell the whole movie. So I'm just not even gonna say nothing. But yeah, just know y'all should go see it. It was good. Now I'm about to go eat finally. I'm so excited. It's 3 o'clock.
Joanne, I'm gonna put some corn in
Right.
Y'all know she take a picture.
And that's why you be having pictures of you looking like that. Black Santa.
Oh,
Yeah, I want to eat jumbo plates.
I told Don to play that bigger though, man. He got bigger plates.
He need big plates.
Bigger plates, right?
Salsa.
The only guy is different, Don. It's the only guy is different.
Hey.
Do what you already did. I will get bigger plates.
It is the end of my Thanksgiving. It is not even 10 o'clock yet, and I am at home, showered, clean, in my robe. I'm about to get in bed and watch my shows. Like, I am so happy. Like, I ate good. I saw my family, like, relaxed.
yeah, saw the movie. Like, it was just a really chill day, and now I feel like I'm ending it in like the perfect Kennedy way. Like, I would not want to be out all night. Like, this is how I like to end my nights. So I'm very excited. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Y'all ate good. Y'all saw y'all family, y'all loved ones. And yeah, good night, y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.